Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar. Only 7-day rain in the last 6 months, brothers and sisters, in Bangladesh. This is miracle from the flooding that happens nearly yearly round in Bangladesh. The monsoon. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is showing mercy on the most beautiful country, the most precious people surrounding around the world. Yes, especially in Dubai. Brothers and sisters, this Muslim prestigious followers of Islam are granted the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with 3 days and 4 consecutive days of rain in the last 6 months. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says how this is for their destiny, without the monsoon flooding the country and bringing misery. Because this is where we have to do shobbarrat. Shobbarrat is why these people worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Yes, we worship shobbarrat. Shobbarrat is granted to listen to you on that night through a special occasion night from the rest of the year. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants more mercy and guide us. Thank you for listening. Assalamu alaikum.